Hello, my name is Kara Milgate with Intero Real Estate, and today this is going to be a short video on how to link up your RealScout feature to your Moxi website. And so I'm going to use Patricia Austria website as an example. She does not have the new link on her website yet. So we're going to be putting it in two places. We're going to be putting it under her Buy tab, and we're also going to be putting a button on the front of her page. So let's get started. First of all, you should have received an email from Rishi in regards to this link right here. If you didn't, please take note. This is the link that you would need, and then you would need to type your name in where it says your full name. Type your first and last name and insert it into the URL. And then I want you to copy it, and I want you to go to a browser, and I want you to type it in and make sure that it's working before you even start this process. And yes, it's pulling up Patricia Austria's RealScout landing page. So now we're going to go back here. So when you first log into your engage.intero.com account, you're going to go to your website. And so now we're going to go to Patricia's website. Where you see admin home is where the programming is at. So click admin home. And you must be logged into your Engage. You can't simply go to your website. You must be into the programming feature to be able to do this. So now on the left-hand side, you see home, help, appearance, home page, site page, image, and so on. You want to put your tab over site page and hit new. And what this is going to do is going to give us an option of all different types of page. For this purpose, we're going to choose menu link. And we're going to hit submit. And now it's going to pull up, we have to type in title and also the URL. So we're going to basically use the same title that RealScout's using, Let's Find Your Next Home. So I'm going to type it in here. Okay, and now I'm going to take the URL and copy it, and I'm going to put it right here. Also very important, click this button, open this link in a new browser. So you want it to open in a separate browser. You don't want it to close down your website from whoever's on it. This way it'll take you to a different, separate browser. And hit save. Okay, so now let's just look at the website. And we can see it's all the way to the right here. And we don't want it there. We want to reposition. So we're going to come back to site pages and click site pages. Anytime you add a new page, whatever type of page it is, it always puts it at the bottom. So we're going to drag it right here. This is the one I created, the menu link. And we're going to drag it all the way to the top. And we're going to put it under buy. And we're going to put it right there. Actually, let's put it there. And let's put her financial calculator at the bottom. Right there. Okay, so every time you make a change and you move something, you need to hit publish, which is right here. And let's just make sure that it moved it into proper placement. And we'll hit visit site. And my computer is a little bit slow, or the internet's a little bit slow this morning. Probably all the millions of people on their computer at home. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's look under buy, and I don't see it. Okay, let's go back and see what happened. It's right there. Let's find your new home. Maybe it hasn't saved it yet. So let's do it. I think I jumped the gun and it didn't save yet, and I went straight to her page, so now it should be there. Yes, let's find your next home. We click that and it should take us to RealScout, and it does. Okay, great. So part one's done. Let's put a button right here. So let's go into Page Builder again, which is right here, and click Page Builder. And so when you click Page Builder, it basically takes you into the programming side of the landing page. Now, the front of this landing page is customized. So if your front page is not customized, you would do this a different way. And I will do a separate video on that after this video. But if your front page is customized, this is how you would do it. We would click the plus sign and you would grab the button. And you put the button where you want it, if you want it underneath, if you want it on top. We'll put it underneath the search. Okay, so I don't want to have this entire line. It's a long line. So let's find your next home. Let's just say find your next home. At least I got rid of one word. Okay. If you want to use an icon, you can. It's your preference. There's all types of icons in the system. So I'm just going to type home and I'll grab choose. I'll choose this one. Okay. So right here is where the link goes, where it says link. So I'm going to come back to Patricia's page. I can either pull it off her page or I could pull it off here. It's the same link. So I'll copy that and I'm going to put it right there. The second thing I'm going to do is hit new window. Okay. So let's just see what that looks like. We're not done. Okay. So there it is. All right. So we're not done. We need to edit this button a little bit more. And so we're going to say page builder. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to style. The first thing we're going to do is align it. We're going to center it. And also we're going to put a text color in it. And let's just keep it black. And the text hover color, let's make that also black. Actually, the text hover color should be white. The font, let's change the font and go with Redonna. And let's make it normal. The background color should be white as possible. And the background hover color is going to be black. You'll see why in a minute. Okay. The border, we're going to make the border black. And we're going to give the border a little bit of look to it. The button, we'll go 4. Actually, we'll go 3. Make it whatever size you want. See how the border is now creating a border. And the border hover color, we're going to make black. No, the border hover cover, we're going to make white. Sometimes I do get this wrong and I have to check it and then go back. So we're going to check the button. And that looks good. So now if we test it and we hit find your next home, let's see if it goes to Patricia's. Yep, it went to her RealScout. Okay, so that's how you put a button on the front page. Also, what else we did, we put the choice under the buy tab. So it's actually in 2 locations. And we have a nice looking button. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will do a separate video not using a custom page to get your button on the front page.